Hey guys, I got this question a lot. Is Fortnite itself free on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, PC, on your tablet? The answer is yes. Fortnite is a free game wherever you go. The only thing that you have to pay for, if you want to pay for, would be something like the Battle Pass. So whatever the most current Battle Pass, you would have to pay for that. You do get skins out of it and all that stuff. However, you don't need it. You can play Fortnite for free. On PlayStation, you do not need PS Plus in order to play online right here. Fortnite. On Xbox, same thing. You don't need to pay anything in order to play online. I know some people get confused because on GTA, you do need to pay to play online. But Fortnite, as well as other games from Epic Games, is completely free. So hopefully this video answered your question. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.